All right, so here we are looking at what an outdoor unit for a cold climate air source heat pump looks like. This is our typical install and what you can expect to see in your house if we're doing this work with you. We've got your coil and your fan. This is the actual heat pump system. It's sitting on top of an 18-inch base. This keeps it up above snow level. We do get a decent amount of snow here, and you don't want this system to get buried in it or you're gonna have some problems. So we put it on this stand. On top of the stand is this pad. This really secures the system. We're gonna lag it down in so you cannot push this thing over. The pad sits in a crushed stone pea gravel corral. And we do that because in the wintertime, these go through defrost cycles. And that defrost creates condensation. The condensation is gonna be water, and it's just gonna drip down right on top of your pad. And we wanna drain that away so you don't have a mound of ice. You're still gonna have some, it does occur, but that's why we put it in the crushed stone. It just helps get that water out of here. The system is on right now, actually running in high capacity. And you guys are standing right in front of it. I'm not sure if you're able to hear it, but these things are pretty quiet. A couple other features I can show you over here. Your refrigerant lines are going to be running inside the house. We're typically going to go right through the siding and air seal and foam those in place so you're not getting any air leaks. And then you've got an outdoor disconnect. This is your electric that's running to the system. If there was ever an emergency, you can pull this. If you ever needed to turn the system off, you can pull that out. And then lastly, we always install a surge protector just in case there's an electric strike. These are not inexpensive systems, and we want to protect them. And that surge protector is going to protect all the circuitry in these systems. So this is what the outdoor unit of a heat pump system is going to look like.